Our aim is to understand why the excretory system is so important to all organisms. To start, think about the difference between egestion and excretion. The goals of this video are to understand how the body removes waste and to understand the different organs of the excretory system. Here we see a diagram of the excretory system, which includes the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra, among other organs. Excretion is the removal of metabolic waste from the body. This waste includes carbon dioxide, water, salt, and urea. Waste diffuses from cells into the blood and then exits the body through various organs. This diagram further illustrates the organs involved in the urinary system, which is a major part of the excretory system. The main organs of the excretory system are the lungs, liver, sweat glands, and kidneys. Each has a specific role in removing waste. The lungs remove the waste products of cellular respiration, specifically carbon dioxide and water vapor. The liver is responsible for breaking down excess amino acids, converting them to urea, and breaking down old red blood cells. Sweat glands excrete waste, water, salts, and small amounts of urea. This waste, mixed with water, is perspiration, which also helps regulate body temperature, maintaining homeostasis. These diagrams show the structure of the skin, highlighting the coiled sweat gland and excretory duct involved in perspiration. Now consider this question. Which human body system includes the lungs, liver, skin, and kidneys? The correct answer is D, excretory. Another question. In humans, the organ that breaks down red blood cells and amino acids is the answer is B, liver. Our next aim is to explore how a disruption in the excretory system affects your body. For a quick activity, state 3 organs of the excretory system along with their function. There is no homework for this section. The aim of this section is to understand how the buildup of waste affects our bodies. As an activity, think about how you can tell if your body is properly hydrated. The assigned homework is questions 1 through 5 on page 599 of your textbook. The urinary system is the body system that filters and excretes waste out of the body. Key components include the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The urinary system includes the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The main function of the kidneys is filtration, which removes urea from the blood. The nephron is the functional unit, where urine is created. Ureters are the large tubes that connect the kidneys to the urinary bladder, carrying urine down. The urinary bladder is a muscular organ that temporarily stores urine before it is expelled from the body. The urethra is the tube that expels urine out of the body. One disease of the urinary system is gout, which causes symptoms similar to arthritis. It is caused by uric acid deposits in the joints, leading to severe pain and stiff joints. This image shows the anatomy affected by gout. This image illustrates the effects of gout on a joint. Frequent urination, or the urge to urinate shortly after going, can be a sign of a bladder or urinary tract infection. It can also be associated with pregnancy. Urine can be diluted and used in potted plants and gardens. Its urea content is a source of nitrogen for plants. Urine therapy involves the application or consumption of urine for medical or cosmetic purposes. Historically, urine was used on open wounds for its antiseptic qualities. Normally, urine contains salts, metabolic wastes, and fluids. The presence of sugar may indicate diabetes. Other problems include polyuria, oliguria, dysuria, kidney failure, and kidney stones. Holding a full bladder past its limit can be dangerous. A tragic case demonstrated the risk of water intoxication, emphasizing the importance of not overlooking the urinary system's function. Which human body system includes the lungs, liver, skin, and kidneys? The correct answer is the excretory system. In humans, the filtrate produced by the nephrons is temporarily stored in the urinary bladder. Let's review some questions. The basic structural and functional excretory units of the human kidney are known as? The answer is nephrons. Next question. In humans, the organ that breaks down red blood cells and amino acids is the correct choice is the liver. Briefly describe how the liver, skin, and lungs function as excretory organs, which are key organs of the excretory system.